Okay, so the first source to get content for your email is actually with whatever platform that you're uh, getting your affiliate product from. In this example, we're going to go ahead and use ClickBank, and it doesn't really matter for this one, so we'll go ahead and pick the first one. But as you can see, there's a little link right here on the screen for the affiliate page. And what you want to do is click on this link, and it's going to take you to a JV page. And on this JV page, now it's not all products, but most vendors will do this. They'll give you resources to use so that you can actually um, use this in your promotions or whatever. This one particularly doesn't have one, so what we're going to do is back out of this one, close that out, and we'll go with this one to open the affiliate. Now I know they have the resources, so we'll go ahead and click on that page and go over to it. Let me pause this so it doesn't play. And let's scroll down and see if we can find the email stuff. Let's see, they got web banners and stuff like that. Here we go. So, as you can see on the screen, they have the promotional email swipes. Okay. Now, with this one in particular, these are all promo to get people to click on the link to buy the product. Me personally, I like to provide some useful content first. Something that people can apply or use. And then I'll go ahead and send this. I'll set up a separate email that'll actually promote the product. If you want to see how my workflow works when it comes to how I set up my emails, I have a separate video in the description for that, so you can see how I actually set up my workflows. But again, in this video, it's just where you can get the resources to actually create the emails. So again, the first way is to actually check out the affiliate resource page to see if they have any email swipes for you to go ahead and copy and paste. Okay. Now, if they don't, or they do and it's all promo and you want to add some extra value, my second option is for you to check out this site right here, which is called KillerPeel articles. Okay. These are free articles that you can use in your websites, on your websites, or in your email campaigns. The good thing about email campaigns is you're not bidding for keywords and things like that. You're trying to provide useful content in order to get people to buy the product. So you don't have to worry about ranking and anything like that. The sole focus is to provide value. Now, don't get me wrong, you can use this to provide value and still provide a link to the product. The thing you want to make sure is that the content that you're using is relevant to the product that you're promoting. So 12 million affiliate is about email marketing. So what we're going to do is go ahead, and I'm right here where it says internet business, and I'm going to go ahead and click on email marketing PLR because it's about email marketing. Okay, click on it, let it load up, and you can see you get all these articles about email marketing. Okay, you can go ahead and go through these, and you can go ahead and see which one works for you in that particular product. And you can go ahead and use this to create your emails. Now, some of these are long because they're primarily built for websites or created for websites. All you have to do is just cut them down. All right? Cut them down, make it much more consumable for the email. All right? And with this site, it's free. You can use these for free. All you got to do is to sign up. You don't have to pay for a thing. Now, they're going to try to upsell you on something, but you can completely ignore that. And with the site, just sign up and you get free access to all these articles. And as you can see, there's a ton of articles. And like I said, this one was just particularly for email, but you can find articles on anything in any niche. So you've got tons of content to work with. Okay. Now, my next suggestion is to actually come over to a site like Fiverr, and you can have somebody, if you have the money, you can pay somebody to write your emails for you. All right. And you've got tons of people that are doing that. I can scroll down, you can see tons of people doing that. I write targeted drip email series for your marketing campaign. I will write cold emails and follow up autoresponder sequences. I mean, the list goes on. You've got tons of people here, and you can just see what one works for you as far as price and what they actually offer. All right. So if you're not comfortable with writing your own emails, or you don't want to use the free PLR articles, here's another option for you. And my last suggestion for you today is to actually go on different websites or go on different YouTube videos and sign up for other people's sign up on other people's landing pages, and see what type of emails they're using and they're sending you, and you can use that to get an idea of what you can, what type of emails you can create for your own campaigns. Now this, you'll probably be signing up to a lot of people's subscriptions or whatever, just to get an idea of how they do it, and you can take all those bits and pieces and put them together and make your own. Personally, I would check out the affiliate JV pages and see what type of emails they got, and then I would go ahead and I personally I would go ahead, and I do this sometimes. I would use the free PLR articles because they're already well written articles that you can just dissect, chop down, and add to your email campaign. If you want something professionally done, you can always pay for it. So, real quick, I just wanted to make this video for you today, showing you a few different ways that you can get the content for your emails. For those of you who really aren't comfortable with writing emails and things like that. So today, that's all I got. If you found this content useful, guys, do me a favor and smash that like button and subscribe for more content. If you found it useful, please make sure you send this out to anybody who you think may find this useful, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.